Does baking soda kill fleas on dogs? Will baking soda kill fleas? Well, baking soda with salt can make a great homemade remedy to your flea problem if you have one. Fleas can cause a lot of problems for your dogs and family. The first step is making sure you know what you are dealing with. Read our guide on recognizing fleas. Getting rid of fleas should always be important, so grabbing some baking soda and adding salt to it can do wonders. How does baking soda kill fleas? By mixing baking soda and salt into a formula, you are making a dehydrating agent. This will dry out the fleas, their eggs, and the larvae. This will kill them off so that they do not reproduce and spread. The main point of handling a flea infestation is to stop it from spreading. Plus, using this particular formula is not harmful to children or pets. But make sure that there are no open cuts or wounds since salt is known to add a bit of a sting. If this concerns you, we have published alternative natural remedies for fleas and mites. How do I apply the formula? It is fairly simple to spread the formula around your house. Just make sure that you have a lot to go around. Fleas can travel, so remember that you should cover all the areas of your home. You should also check that your baking soda is still good. If it has been standing open in the cupboard for a month, best is to throw it out and get new baking soda. When spreading the formula around, make sure that you target beds, couches, and carpets. The formula has to go down to the floor of the carpets and in the corners of the beds and couches. Let the formula do its job overnight and then vacuum everywhere in the morning. This will suck up the dead bodies and even the live ones that you may have missed. Once you have vacuumed everywhere, you should take your vacuum cleaner canister for a short walk to the bin on the street. Here you will dump the remains of all your effort. In doing this, you decrease the chances of fleas coming back into your house. Repeat this process in a couple of days just to get the eggs and larvae that you may have missed the first time around. Prevention is the key to flea control. The best way to avoid fleas making your house and pets their home is by prevention. You can achieve this by keeping an eye on your dog's behavior. If they look itchy, then have them checked for fleas and jump into action right away when even one flea is discovered. Take them to the vet and see what to do from there. There are a few items such as shampoos and flea collars that can aid you in the battle over the fleas, as well as the best flea control for dogs 2021. However, there are measures you can take to prevent fleas from becoming a huge problem. Vacuuming regularly and taking the time and effort to empty the canister in the street's bin is a great start, especially if you already had a flea problem before. As the old saying goes, better safe than sorry. Besides vacuuming, you should also wash the bedding in your house. This does not only mean yours and your family, but your pets as well. Give them a good wash in the washer along with your clothes, and then use the dryer on a high temperature if the materials can handle the heat. If not, then a medium temperature can also work. Heat is a good way to kill the fleas, larvae, and eggs. Plus, you can see your efforts in the lint catcher. Another precaution you can take is to cut the grass. Most dogs love to run in the garden, and fleas love to hide in the tall grass. Do not give them a chance to hop on your happy pet to get a ride inside.